subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Poco has launched its new M series phone in India called Poco M5 with a unique rear panel design. Talking about the specifications, the Poco M5 features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 90Hz adaptive refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate support, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G99 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 64 or 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage that is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Poco M5 supports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 5MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, and it runs on Android 12 based on MIUI 13 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, 12.55, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.99 by 76.09 by 8.9mm, and it weighs around 201 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Poco M5 has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 12,499 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 14,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from September 13th in black, green, and yellow color options. So what do you guys think of this Poco M5 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.